Today, we'd like to talk about the 2018 Toyota 4Runner. With its proven body-on-frame platform, powerful V6 engine, and advanced terrain-conquering technologies, this SUV delivers the ultimate in off-road capability. Come with us as we take a closer look. The exterior shows off rugged styling, while available 20-inch alloy wheels and up to 9.6 inches of ground clearance let you confidently take on the toughest trails. And easily access your gear with available sliding rear cargo deck and power rear glass. Inside, 4Runner offers exceptional refinement, with premium materials and available heated and ventilated front seats. Available Entune Premium JBL audio with integrated navigation and app suite keeps you connected through the 6.1-inch touchscreen display. The reclining rear seatbacks offer added passenger comfort, while the fold-flat second row can be folded down to accommodate up to 88 cubic feet of cargo space. The standard 4.0-liter V6 engine pumps out 270 horsepower and has the ability to tow up to 5,000 pounds. Available crawl control and multi-terrain select will help you to reach the most remote corners of the map. 4Runner comes with 8 standard airbags and the Star Safety System, a suite of safety features designed to keep you out of harm's way. And the standard integrated backup camera will help give you a better view when in reverse. No matter where your adventures may take you, 4Runner helps to ensure that you can always keep it wild. With 6 models and 8 color options to choose from, we can help you customize your purchase to your exact needs. So come down and see us and check out the 2018 Toyota 4Runner.